Hello and welcome to the One Lone Coder CodeJam 2021 theme reveal sort of live stream. Whoa, it's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it? In just a couple of minutes, in fact, when that countdown has finished counting down, I will reveal the theme for this year's Jam, and it is at that precise point the Jam begins, and you have 9 days to come up with an idea that matches the theme and submit it for judgment by the community. The reason Jams have a theme like this is to ensure some sort of fairness across the competition. Because none of you know what the theme is going to be, it's anticipated that you will have to create your entries from scratch.
Well, as is usual during a jam, rather awkwardly, I've got some dead silence to fill with something, so I thought we'd have some do's and don'ts of the jam. Firstly, do spend time planning your entry before you start coding. Don't just think you've immediately got to click File New and start programming something. But don't forget, don't aim too high. You've only got 9 days to do this. You are not going to create a AAA title in 9 days. Do use technologies that you're familiar with. A jam isn't the time to start learning something new, unless, well, for you, that is the entire point of entry. Don't spend all of your time configuring your development environment. Nobody cares if your repo is really well managed. Nobody cares if your CMake files are all in order. It really doesn't matter. Just make it work and make it work quickly. Do submit before the deadline, and remember to test your submission and download your own submissions and get your friends to test it too. There will not be an opportunity for editing your submission during the judgment period, unless there is exceptional circumstances. Don't give up. Many of you are going to feel like it's just not going to happen this time round, but don't give up. Actually do try and submit something. It doesn't matter if it isn't finished, this is all just for fun. Do remember to rate other entries. That's really important. This is a community-based jam. Everybody that's entered is relying on you to take part and rate their entry. Well, I better shut up now because here's the theme.
Well, this year, the theme for the OLC CodeJam 2021 is a subject matter very close to my heart, and it can only be one possible thing. It's the future. Is that a good theme? Yeah?
Oh, the future, I hear you all cry. What an easy theme it is this year. Well, I want you to be a little bit more creative than just robots blasting each other in the future. Instead, use this as an opportunity to think a little bit outside the box. What are the decisions that we make today that affect tomorrow? How can we prepare for the future? Is it possible that knowing how the future plays out can affect the things that we do today? Though if in doubt, go on then, I suppose, just have robots blasting each other. Myself and the moderators will be keeping a close eye on entries that don't seem entirely legitimately developed during the jam period. So beware about just submitting some old project you've got kicking around.
Well, all that's left from me and JavidX10 here is to wish you the best of luck. You've only got 9 days before the judgment period begins, so don't forget to get your submissions in early enough. If you haven't already, come and join the Discord server because there's lots of chat going on regarding the jam. People sharing ideas and sharing experiences and teaming up, all sorts of different things. So come and have a chat with us there. Yes, that's right. Come and join the Discord server. I'll be doing some streams with my CodeZone show during the jam period, and until then, I'll see you at the end of the jam. Take care.